Benefits of Beard Balm 1. Moisturizing. Beard Balm contains ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, and essential oils that deeply moisturize both the beard hair and the skin underneath. This helps prevent dryness and flakiness, keeping the beard soft and manageable. Point 2. Styling and shaping. With beeswax or other natural waxes as a common ingredient, Beard Balm helps in styling and shaping the beard. It provides a light to medium hold, making it easier to tame unruly hairs and maintain a well-groomed appearance throughout the day. Point 3. Reducing itch and dandruff. The moisturizing properties of Beard Balm help to reduce itchiness caused by dry skin under the beard. Regular use can also prevent and eliminate beard dandruff, beard rough, ensuring a healthier and more comfortable beard. Point 4. Promoting healthy beard growth. Ingredients like jojoba oil, argan oil, and vitamin E in Beard Balm nourish the hair follicles, promoting healthier and potentially faster beard growth. These ingredients strengthen the hair, reducing breakage and split ends. Point 5. Enhancing beard appearance. Beard Balm can make the beard appear fuller and more vibrant. The conditioning properties give the beard a natural shine without making it look greasy, enhancing its overall appearance. Point 6. Providing a pleasant scent. Many beard balms are infused with essential oils that provide a subtle, pleasant scent. This can be a refreshing addition to your grooming routine, leaving your beard smelling good throughout the day. Point 7. Protecting against environmental damage. The protective barrier created by the wax and oils in Beard Balm can shield the beard from environmental factors like wind, sun, and pollution. Ease of use. Beard Balm is easy to apply and incorporate into a daily grooming routine. It can be used on both damp and dry beards, making it a versatile product for any beard care regimen. Point 9. Softening the beard. Regular use of Beard Balm can soften coarse beard hairs, making the beard more comfortable and pleasant to touch. This is particularly beneficial for those with naturally rough or wiry beard hair. Point 10. Reducing beard split ends. The conditioning agents in Beard Balm help to reduce split ends, ensuring that the beard remains healthy and well-maintained. This contributes to a neater and more polished look. Conclusion: Beard Balm is a multifunctional grooming product that offers a wide range of benefits for beard health and maintenance. From moisturizing and conditioning to styling and protection, incorporating Beard Balm into your daily routine can significantly enhance the look and feel of your beard. Whether you're aiming for a softer, more manageable beard or seeking to promote healthy growth, Beard Balm is an essential tool in any beard care arsenal.